Hey, top of the morning to you all out there. A couple of reasons for this video. First of all, I'll just give you a quick market update. But then secondly, I want to follow through with a pointer on did you know that you could do certain things within the NYLEX pricing engine that we have. But anyhow, let's first jump to the market. As you saw yesterday, we closed down about 37 basis points from which more than wiped out Monday's 25 basis points gained. And a lot of that was just reaction to the various things going on with the stock market out there. Today what we had on the agenda was the initial claims came out. They came out a little bit better than last week's data and was better than the consensus estimates that was projected. And also then at 10 o'clock we had the producer price index came out, which is a measure of inflation, and it was a little stronger than expected, and therefore the market is somewhat reacting to this, but we're really not quite sure why they're overreacting to it. If you were looking for a bounce back from yesterday's pullback, well, guess what? You're not going to get it. Number one, with the improved jobless claims, and B, the other report being slightly inflationary, neither of those are going to be proponents to propel the market back into a positive territory. But on a positive note, the support level to go down much lower is pretty strong, and so I don't really think you're going to see us go a whole lot lower yet today, but we are definitely going to test that levels, and let's hope that we don't bust through it. Right now we're down 9 basis points for the day. We're pricing everything on the 4% Fannie Mae series. We're down 9 basis points for the day, which is ironically the 9 basis points since pricings came out. It was as high as about 25 basis points down, so we have seen a slight pullback to the good news to the good end on that. Anyhow, what I really put this together for was loan decisions. Many times we get in situations where we have to raise either the rate or the price in order to accommodate either the people being short of cash to close, and so now you need to premium price some items, or maybe the appraisal came in or some other factors came in, and now you're getting hit with some price adjustments that makes it unfeasible to use the other price that you locked in at. What you need to do is go to My Files in the NYLEX pricing engine and find the loan that you locked, and in this case we're going to use this Stephen Shane where the lock was requested, and you'll go over here and you punch details, and with details you're going to get the actual loan that pop up. Shows that it was locked with Chase for a 15-year loan. It expires on 10/7, and that particular day that you locked it was at 3 7/8 with a price of 101.741. What you need to do is scroll down a little bit. You'll see 3 tabs here. You're going to look for the middle one that says pricing. You're going to click on that, and once again what happens is it shows exactly what you locked in that particular day and what add-ons were applied to the product, and there's your 101.741 price. Then if you scroll down a little bit more, you're going to see every program or every rate that was available for that particular program with that particular investor. So you're going to look at your 30-day lock period that you locked it in at. The bold one is the price you locked in at. And let's say basically you lost, your appraised value came in lower, and now you've got a cash out add-on of a 1/2 point, and you need to cover that. Well, you're going to have to raise the guy to like 4 1/8 to get that covered. Because that gives you an actual close to an extra about 7/10 of a point, not the half, but that's 102.419. Or if you needed to cover $1,000 of the guy's closing cost, and you could say, well, we could do 4 1/4 at 102.902, and then you would simply send in a change request to the lock desk saying, please raise the rate to 4 1/8 on this particular loan, and we'd get that done, put it in the lock cabinet, and poof, you're good to go. So anyhow, I get a call for that every once in a while, wanting to know what prices was for that particular day you locked the loan in, and there's how you get it. Hope that was good for you, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye now.